Tuesday, December 22nd, which means this is being filmed during winter break. But I got a box in the mail and I wanted to share it with you guys, so let's get going. Teacher Care Crate. This is actually my first box for them. This is what it says on the side. So, Teacher Care Crate, let yourself rest. I think it's kind of fitting that I got this during winter break because that's like when we're resting and stuff, so I have 2 weeks off. So let's see what they gave me to help with winter break. Alright. First up, we have a card from them on the back side. It's time to get cozy, teacher friends. First, check out this month's art print designed by Lizanne Schmidt Foster, Fairways and Chalkboards. So it tells us what it is. So this is the print. Let's get cozy. Next, snuggle up with your new Teach beanie. Like that Ray Dunn print. See how it fits. I'm gonna wear this just for the fun of it. And a mug full of elephant vanilla chai from David Rio. San Francisco, so somewhat close to me because I'm in Northern California. So, okay. Keep things cozy while grading or lesson planning, like we're supposed to be doing that during rest time, with your new Cozy Teacher and Grade and Chill pins. So these are the pins that she talked about. Hold on. Let's open it so I can show you better. So these are click pins. One of them says, Grade and Chill. The other one says, Cozy Teacher. They all seem to have a color theme. This like blue and teal type of thing. And oh look, I match it with my shirt. Okay. Dress up your laptop or planner with the adorable Cozy Cat sticker. Designed by the Perfect Pencil. I have a sticker for my laptop and it's a kitty. Going on my laptop. Case. Keep germs at bay, especially right now with COVID and everything, with a crisp winter air hand sanitizer from Star Valley Naturals. So this is what it looks like. I can't smell much right now. I guess I can't smell anything. Huh. I'm not sure I smell anything. I guess that's good. Be sure to nourish your face with the Moon Velvet Sheet Mask from Face Tory during your next self-care session. Well, this will be a new thing. I don't do face mask. So, this will be new. Finally, display your handmade Teach ornament from Cabin20 Creations as a seasonal decoration or keep it up year-round. So it is just a piece of cloth or ribbon with the ribbon attached, and then Teach like Scrabble letters with some twine to hold it. And that is it. So that was it. This is a little bit different. If you've been following me for a little bit, you know that I've been doing some from the Teacher Crate. This one I feel is a little bit different because it is more self-care based as opposed to teacher based. Like, it's for teachers obviously, but it's designed around the idea of self-care and taking care of yourself versus things that could be useful in your classroom. So that's one of the differences between the two that I've noticed, at least with my first box. So I have one more teacher crate coming up, so I'm actually combining that one and this one together into one video. So you'll have those together, and then I am switching to this one for a little bit. I think I might have any codes that I have a link down below. If I can find any of these places, I will link them down below also if you're interested in going to check them out. Otherwise, I hope you guys are having a good winter break or whenever this is going up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Hello everybody, I hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas break, Christmas holiday, or whatever you celebrate. I am coming on to you because we have received another package from the Teacher Crate. This is actually going to be my last one from them. I'm switching to Teacher Care Crate, which you'll see as part of this video. But this is our last one from them, so let's see what we have. Alrighty. First up, a nameplate, Home Sweet Classroom. It says Chubby Chico Charms. Let's see what these actually are. Okay. Ooh, it looks like a necklace. A bit twisted. I'll twist it up a little bit, but so it has two charms on it. One of them says teach. The other one says teach. Oops. Yeah. Teach, love, inspire. Is that right? I hope so. So it's got two charms on it. It looks like you can probably like swing them together like this. So, a little necklace. Put that around the box. Gonna have to untwist that. We've got some arrow paper cutouts. Different arrow colors. A calendar hanger. So those new calendars you get for the new year have something to be able to hang it on besides a nail, which is what I typically use when I have one. We have, to go with that, a calendar. Each month features a different chalk drawing with a different saying. And then lastly, as I shift things over, we have the t-shirt. Let me open it up so you can see what this t-shirt is. It is a dark blue, and it says teaching is hard work instead of hard work. It looks like something you would probably wear for February and stuff, so I'm not sure if this is technically their January box or December box, but it looks probably more along the January theme or whatever. But I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing and the different goodies and stuff. I will again link all the websites on the link, and if I have any codes I'll link them also. Until my next unboxing. Bye.